So we're just doing a little tutorial on how to remove the Vito door handle. You literally need 2 tools, a trim tool or flat blade screwdriver, torque 20, and that is literally it. So first off, you want to remove this little grommet, if it wants to come out, that is. There we go. Then inside the hole is the torque 20 screw, which you just got to find in there. Lucky thing. Yeah, that's it, yeah. Little commentary, mate. Screwy, screwy. And then just turn and pull this little bit out till it slides out. There we go. And this bit, just give it a little tap. Get your gasket off. 1 door handle removed. Process is quite easy to put it back in. Just slide that back in, push that in and tighten the screw back up, put your grommet in, you're all done. There's a nice quick and easy tutorial on the door handle.